How to get rid of your painful athlete's foot, home remedies that work. Athlete's foot is a fungal infection that usually thrives in warm, damp places. The fungus Tinea pedis grows between the toes, on top of the feet, on toenails and between the fingers. White patches, scaly patches and redness are all indicative of the fungus. Symptoms of athlete's foot may include itching, burning and stinging. Athlete's foot fungus frequents public showers and locker rooms, indoor swimming pools and health clubs, and it is very contagious. Contact with shoes or socks containing the fungus, wet floors or exercise equipment, remember it can live between fingers too, can spread it. The good thing is that you can deter athlete's foot fungus from taking hold by wearing flip-flops around public pools or showers and ensuring that your feet, including between your toes, are thoroughly dried after bathing or swimming. You should keep your toenails the shortest length that is comfortable for you, since the fungus can live under toenails. Toenails that are left long might retain moisture and provide a haven for the fungus. You shouldn't leave sweaty socks or shoes on any longer than you have to. And don't forget, if your feet tend to sweat a lot during the day, or if you are particularly active, take a fresh pair of organic cotton socks with you and change them part way through the day. Cotton is more absorbent than synthetic materials and better for your feet. And don't wear the same shoes that following day, give them time to completely dry and air out. And now we're going to show you how to get rid of athlete's foot in all natural way. How to get rid of your painful athlete's foot, home remedies. Garlic. This super healthy vegetable is known due to its powerful antifungal and antibacterial properties, which means that it is highly efficient and beneficial when it comes to destroying the bacteria that cause this infection as well. Just follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. First, you should take 5 pods of garlic, then peel them and crush them. Then you need to apply the garlic directly onto the infected region. And now you should take sterilized gauze or duct tape and use it to secure the garlic. Leave it for a few hours, remove the garlic, and then 20 minutes later repeat the same procedure. Use this method 3 times every day for 1 month. And use this treatment for 15 days, and once you've finished the treatment, the infection will be completely gone. Cinnamon. This super healthy ingredient has powerful antifungal and antiperspirant properties. It is not only helpful when it comes to eliminating the infection. Here's what you need to do. It's very simple. First, you should take 10 cinnamon sticks and break them into tiny pieces. Then you need to add them to 4 cups of boiling water. Let it simmer for 5 minutes on low temperature. Next, let it steep for 45 minutes. Soak your feet in this solution for about 30 minutes. Repeat this procedure every evening before you go to bed for 1 to 2 months. Baking soda is also very useful and beneficial against this skin problem. Baking soda neutralizes the skin's pH level and thus controls fungal activities. Here's what you need to do. Just combine 3 parts baking soda with 1 part cold water and make a thick paste. Using circular movement, apply this paste to your feet, covering all feet areas, between toes as well. In the end, let it dry for several minutes. Finally, wash your feet with cool water and pat them dry. Tea. How this works? Well, the tannic acid found in tea is a natural astringent that helps control fungal activity, and it also helps in keeping the feet free of excess moisture. Here's what you need to do. First, you should grab 5 bags of black tea and soak them in 4 cups of boiling water for 5 minutes. Let it cool for 20 minutes. Soak your feet into the tea for half an hour. In the end, dry your feet thoroughly. Repeat this procedure twice a day for 5 to 6 weeks.